xAI wants Grok to stop being a separate chat tab and start living inside the files teams already touch all day. Not a cleaner demo. A shorter path from question to editable work. The real question is whether that lowers cleanup and rebuild time, or just moves the chatbot into another sidebar. xAI launched a free Grok add-on for Google Workspace. One install now covers Sheets, Slides, and Docs. That matters because the product is not asking users to export their work somewhere else first. It is trying to sit beside the file already open. That is the actual product move. The strongest confirmed capability is in Sheets. xAI says Grok can answer from the spreadsheet itself and cite the exact cells it used. It can write and fill formulas, insert charts, and rerun scenarios when an assumption changes. And every change lands as a normal edit you can inspect and undo. That is more useful than generic spreadsheet advice because it points at reversible work inside the model you already maintain. Docs and Slides are where the operator angle gets broader. In Slides, xAI says Grok can turn an outline into a presentation, research from the web or X, add diagrams or images, and stay inside the deck's existing theme. In Docs, it can turn rough notes into a structured draft, fix grammar in place, and keep style consistent across a long file. With connectors enabled, Docs can also pull from recent emails or files in Google Drive. That turns Grok from a writing assistant into a lightweight context worker living inside common Office output. And that matters because a lot of Office AI still breaks workflow at the exact wrong moment. It gives you a paragraph, a formula idea, or a slide outline, then hands the real cleanup back to you. xAI is trying to sell the opposite story. Ask inside the file, make normal edits, and keep moving. If that actually holds, the gain is not novelty. It is less rebuild work across finance, ops, sales, and founder decks. Now the skepticism beat. xAI's page proves surface area, not workflow quality. It confirms the add-on is free, spans 3 Google apps, cites cells in Sheets, and promises normal reversible edits. What it does not prove is your actual revision load, your factual error rate, or whether connectors improve drafts more often than they contaminate them. So yes, the integration move is real. But the productivity win is still mostly xAI's framing until someone runs the workflow test. So, who should test this first? Highest fit is operators who already live in Sheets, founders rebuilding decks too often, sales or finance teams doing repeated model updates, and anyone drafting long docs from rough notes plus inbox context. The exact test is simple. Take one recurring spreadsheet, deck, or document workflow. Run it with your current process and with Grok in place. Then compare revision count, factual misses, and total cleanup time. That is the honest line. Grok in Workspace matters if the file reaches usable faster before a human has to rescue it.